Today we're going to be looking at making connections when reading about scientific ideas. Our standard this week is RI3 to describe the connection between a series of historical events, scientific ideas, or concepts, or the steps in technical procedures in a text. Our learning target for today is I can describe the connection between scientific ideas or concepts in a text. Some of our vocabulary that we're going to be using today: connection. Connection is how an idea is linked to another idea in a text. What does one have to do with the other? A series, a number of things, events, or people that are similar or related and come one after the other. Scientific ideas are topics of scientific nature, and scientific concepts are theory or laws that explains the way, the why, or the how something in nature happens. When you read about science topics, look for connections that show how ideas or thoughts fit together. Connections may show how or why one thing changes into something else. Understanding these connections will help you describe or tell how things change or work and why things happen. Here's our anchor chart: steps in a scientific process. So an example would be to use the scientific method, which we learned at the beginning of the year. The first step is to ask a question. What do you want to know? The second step, form a hypothesis, make a careful guess. The third step, test the hypothesis by doing an experiment. The fourth step would be to record observations. You would record and analyze the data. The fifth step is to answer the question, what did you learn? Why is following these steps important? Because each step builds on the other in a process. So today we are going to be reading The Little Raindrop by Melanie Joyce. The Little Raindrop is a story about a raindrop, but it also takes us through the steps of the water cycle.